Now, let's talk AI again. Some platforms now scan what's in your fridge and suggest recipes. Like, you've got kale, eggs, and chickpeas. How about a protein-packed breakfast bowl? It helps cut waste and eat better. Plus, AI can even recommend meals based on your mood, sleep, or fitness goals. Feeling tired? Try a lentil curry packed with iron and B12. Post-workout? Go for a salmon and quinoa bowl, high in omega-3s and protein. But honestly, the biggest benefit for me has been consistency. When eating healthy feels easy, I actually stick to it. And when I mess up, no big deal.